Right, question 13. So we need to work out an estimate for the mean distance. So remember what we're saying. The table gives the distance in meters that students threw a javelin. So one student threw a javelin between 0 and 10 meters. Two students threw a javelin between 10 and 20 meters, and so on. Now, we don't know actually how far the javelins were thrown by these kids. We just know it was between these numbers here. So the reason it's an estimating question is we've just got to make the assumption that we use the midpoint here. So we're going to assume that that one person threw the javelin 5 meters, halfway between 0 and 10. And these two students threw the javelin 15 meters, in other words, halfway between 10 and 20. So you start off by popping in a midpoint column here, and then we cross multiply. So one student threw the javelin 5 meters, that's 5 meters in total. Two students threw the javelins 15 meters, that's 30 meters in total. So we add up all of these meters to get 1,440 meters, and we divide that by the number of students, which we work out by adding up this frequency column. So it's this column's total divided by this column's total. Be careful not to divide by the number of rows. Dividing by 6 is the classic error. Now part B is more straightforward. Modal class, modal means mode. So what happened most often? Well, something happened 15 times. That's the biggest frequency. What happened 15 times? Well, it's this over here, the javelin being thrown between 30 and 40 meters. So literally just copy that down there as your final answer, because 15 is the biggest number in this column.